Welcome to TrimTrove TV. I'm so glad you're here. I'm Safina, and I'm passionate about helping people reach their fitness goals. I believe that everyone can achieve their dreams with hard work and dedication, and I'm here to support you every step of the way. On this channel, you'll find a variety of fitness videos, including workout routines for beginners and experienced exercisers, tips on how to lose weight and build muscle, recipes for healthy and delicious meals, motivational videos to help you stay on track. I hope you enjoy your stay on TrimTrove TV. Let's get started. In this video, I'm going to talk about how plank exercises can help you lose weight. Plank exercises are a great way to strengthen your core muscles, which are the muscles that support your spine and keep your body stable. Strong core muscles can help you burn more calories throughout the day, even when you're not exercising. Strengthen your core muscles. Your core muscles are responsible for stabilizing your body and maintaining good posture. When your core muscles are strong, you burn more calories even when you're at rest. Increase your metabolism. Plank exercises can help increase your metabolism, which is the rate at which your body burns calories. This means that you'll burn more calories even when you're not exercising. Reduce belly fat. Plank exercises can help reduce belly fat, which is a type of fat that is linked to health problems such as heart disease and diabetes. Improve your posture. Strong core muscles can help improve your posture by keeping your spine in alignment. This can help you look and feel your best. Reduce stress. Plank exercises can help reduce stress, which can lead to weight gain. The amount of time you should do plank exercises depends on your fitness level. If you're new in position, and hold it for as long as you can. Gradually increase the time you hold the plank as you get stronger. Beginners, hold the basic plank position for 20-30 seconds. Intermediate, hold the basic plank position for 30-60 seconds. Advanced, hold the basic plank position for 60-90 seconds. You can also make plank exercises more challenging by raising your feet onto a bench or chair, placing your hands on dumbbells or weight plates, or lifting one arm or leg at a time. Tips for doing plank exercises: don't let your hips sag or your back arch. Make sure your shoulders are directly over your wrists. Keep your neck in a neutral position, looking straight ahead. If you start to feel pain, stop immediately. In this video, I've talked about how plank exercises can help you lose weight. I've also given you some tips on how to do plank exercises safely and effectively. Thanks for joining me today, TrimTrove TV. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. Drop any questions or progress updates in the comments below. See you in the next video.